Ever dreamed of exploring the world without worrying about finances? I'm here to share how I'm making that dream a reality. Hi, I'm Keenan, and welcome to Wander and Invest. I've always wanted the freedom to travel and experience life to the fullest, but without financial independence, it's tough to make that happen. Financial freedom enables me to explore, take risks, and live minimally while feeling secure. First tip: embrace minimalism. The less you spend on unnecessary things, the more you save for experiences. Living minimally means decluttering, cutting down fixed expenses, and selling unused items. By living minimally, I've managed to save money for trips, van upgrades, and essentials rather than material things. Tip 2. Diversify your income. Next up, let's talk income streams. One source of income is great, but multiple streams give you flexibility. Think about side hustles, freelance work, remote job options, or passive income streams like dividends or online content creation. For example, I rely on freelancing and investments for flexibility. Tip 3. Invest wisely for growth. Investing is key to financial freedom. Putting your money to work helps it grow, even while you're out exploring. Start with beginner-friendly investments like ETFs, index funds, or simple stock investing apps. I manage investments from the road, and this growth helps fund my travel goals. Tip 4. Travel smart and frugally. Finally, traveling doesn't have to be expensive. With a few tricks, you can explore on a budget. For example, consider camping over hotels, cooking your meals, using budget travel apps, or picking low-cost destinations. Recently, I camped on a trip, saving me tons of cash. Call to action. These are just a few steps I'm taking to fund my adventures. With a little planning, financial freedom can be achievable for anyone. If you're ready to learn more about minimalist living, investments, and how to fund your own travels, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Here's to living freely and exploring the world. See you in the next video.